Everyone. Today in this video we will practice the question what, which, whose and how. What is it? It's table. What color is it? It's brown. What is your mom doing? She is cooking in the kitchen. What are you doing? I am studying. Whose? Whose phone is on the table? That's mine. Whose shirt is this? It's my brother's. Whose birthday is today? It's Ram's. How's the weather? It's sunny and hot. How do you feel? I feel much better now. How many people are there in your room? There are 30 people. Which shirt do you like? I like this one. Which color do you choose? I choose red. Which is your book? This one.